What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing on the Makita cordless reciprocating saw. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £115 for it. And what I will do is I will leave a link in the description below, just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, this is what it looks like in the box. It just comes with the body only. There's no battery what comes with it. And they supply 2 blades with it as well. So there's not much information on the box itself. So what we'll do is we'll open it up and have a look at it. So first of all, we've got some instructions, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. But if you register it within 4 weeks of purchase, it will be extended to 3 years. So it's well worth registering it. So that's the instructions what come with it. Then we've got the saw itself. So these are the 2 blades what come with it. There's a biometal. They're both biometal. That's what it says. So one's for cutting metal, one's for cutting wood, I think. So that's the 2 blades what come with it. And this is the reciprocating saw. This is what it looks like. So I'll let you have a look round it. So that's the side view. That's the top view. That's the other side. And that's the underneath. So it does take a 12-volt Makita battery. And this is the front of it. So it's got a rubber housing in front of here to protect it. It feels alright. So it does take some bushes in here, so you can replace the bushes. So right guys, what can I tell you about it? So its overall length is 486 millimeters, which makes it about 49 centimeters nearly. And it weighs 3.8 kilos. So on the top of it, it's got a lock mechanism here. So you can lock it. So now the trigger can't be pressed. It's got a variable speed control on the trigger. So depending on how much you press it, that'll be the speed of the saw itself. So the length of the stroke is 32 millimeters, and the strokes per minute is 0 to 2,800 per minute. It all depends on how much you press the trigger, depending on how many strokes per minute it is. The maximum cutting capacity, so for pipes it can cut up to 130 millimeters, and wood it can cut up to 255 millimeters. So its rated voltage is DC 18 volt. So right guys, that's all the information I can tell you about it, but they're absolutely an awesome tool to have. As you know, you can get stuck in some awkward places to cut things, and this cuts it very quickly and easily and saves you a lot of time and hassle. So right guys, this was a quick unboxing. Like I said, if you want to watch some demo videos, there's plenty on YouTube itself, and you can watch one of them. But like I said, you can purchase this from Amazon for £115 at the moment. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and it basically gives you the first heads up to what it looks like. There's not much else I can tell you about it guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.